Hey guys, Kiran from Tech Gadget now. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to improve battery life of any Android phone. For that, you need to go to Google Play Store and search for battery repair. There, you can find many apps, but you need to install Advanced Repair Battery Life. Click on Install. The apps get installed. After that, open the app. There, you can see the present battery status. Click on the repair button, and it will show a message. Click OK, and it may take some time for the first run. So it is searching each and every sector of your battery, and it will find the low, inactive and healthy sectors. So the orange one is low and the red one is inactive. So you can find that in my mobile there are 3 or 4 inactive sectors now. So it is increasing as it goes on. So wait till the scan is complete. So after scan is complete, click on fix problems. So it will fix each and every sector one by one. You need to wait for some time. After everything is fixed, you will get a message. Click OK.